listening, and speaking. Debates. Definition. This is a formal discussion, in which two sides argue on divergent points of view. These two sides are the proposers of the motion and the opposers of the motion. There is also a panel of judges, who evaluate the convincing power of the debaters, and thereafter, offer feedback. How to prepare for a debate. Research on the motion. This helps one to get facts from books, teachers, the internet, and other students. Write notes on the topic. You can refer to them as you make your presentation. Practice how to speak. You can do this before a friend, or before mirror.
How was my mock presentation?
Your performance is great, with the dramatic pauses, tonal variation and stage utilization. But one thing you may need to work on is facial expressions. Climate change is an urgent topic. You need to put on a serious face, as you talk about the data. That will drive people to act.
Okay, thank you. Let me try again.
To reduce anxiety, do some physical exercises, or take a deep breath.
Dress decently. It is quite embarrassing to keep adjusting your clothes in front of an audience.
Effective delivery. During a debate, 1. Deliver your points in a confident and persuasive manner. Listen to this example.
The issue of climate change is our responsibility. We cannot sit back and watch, as unscrupulous people rob us of clean air, clean water, and our livelihoods.
2. Vary your tone. This helps you to communicate different feelings and attitude towards a particular subject. For example,
this is a great opportunity. Make use of it.
3. Speak audibly, so that everyone in the room can hear you.
4. Maintain eye contact with your audience. This helps you to get feedback from them and adjust accordingly.
5. Use gestures and facial expressions to elaborate your points. Supporting an argument during a debate. When you strongly agree with what the speaker says, you can clap, stamp your feet, or tap the table. This encourages the speaker to move on with more power and confidence. That is the end of today's lesson. We have learnt about how to effectively prepare for a debate, make a worthwhile presentation, and how to support your team. Thank you for your viewership.